If you want to charge other devices using your Google Pixel 10, then the only way to do so is by using a USB-C cable. So over here I have my USB-C cable. The other end is already connected to this other smartphone. Over here I have my Google Pixel 10, and if I want to charge this other device, I just have to connect both of these devices with the USB-C cable. There we go. Once we do that, as you can see, immediately we have the connection. We are charging the other device, but also we can go to notifications in case it is not working. We should be able to find the notification about charging. We can tap on this arrow on the right side in order to then tap on the notifications to go to USB preferences. And then at the bottom we have charge connected device. As you can see, I can disable it, I can turn it on. And there we go, we are charging on the device. Unfortunately, it is not possible to charge other devices wirelessly. It is simply not possible on Google Pixel 10. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.